Traumatic brain injuries are often referred to as a silent epidemic because the symptoms associated with them are mostly neurological and psychological and are invisible. That is particularly true when it comes to mild traumatic brain injuries. First off, what is meant by the term mild TBI? Traumatic brain injuries are generally classified in one of three categories according to severity, as either mild, moderate, or severe. The American Congress of Rehabilitation Medicine defines mild TBI as a traumatically induced physiological disruption of brain function, resulting in at least one of the following: any period of loss of consciousness, any loss of memory for events immediately before or after the accident, any altered mental status at the time of the accident, for instance, feeling confused, dazed, or disoriented, or focal neurological deficits on examination, such as motor control problems, weakness, numbness, speech problems. The vast majority of TBIs, anywhere between 70 and 90%, according to the World Health Organization, are classified as mild. The problem with this term is that it suggests the symptoms and consequences of the TBI are mild. Based on the number of such cases we have handled, we know that is often not the case. First off, there are a variety of symptoms that may occur after a mild TBI, such as a headache, nausea, fatigue, sleep disruption, difficulty concentrating, memory loss, word-finding problems, visual disturbances, and pain. We are well aware that these symptoms can take a significant toll on people's lives in terms of their activities of daily living, ability to work, relationships, and emotional well-being. Second, these symptoms often last well beyond the 3-month time frame in which patients hope to have made a full recovery. Recent medical studies show that upwards of 80% of people with a mild TBI will continue to experience symptoms after 3 months, at which point they are typically diagnosed with post-concussive syndrome. A recent study from the Journal of Neurotrauma found that not everyone recovers from post-concussive syndrome. In other words, the symptoms associated with a mild TBI can be permanent. The study found that none of the patients who had post-concussive symptoms after 3 years are ever fully recovered. In other words, the symptoms of the mild TBI were permanent. Treatment with the appropriate medical specialists, such as neurologists, psychologists, physical medicine and rehabilitation doctors, and therapists, can help people with their recovery from a mild TBI or post-concussive syndrome. But we know this is often a long and difficult road. Our firm has substantial experience representing people with TBIs of varying severity caused by negligence in motor vehicle crashes, falls, and other cases of traumatic head injury. We understand the complex medical and emotional issues involved in cases involving TBI, and we consult with the most qualified medical specialists and other experts to show how the injury has affected the lives of our clients and their families. To discuss a potential case involving a traumatic brain injury, please give us a call at 312-527-4500 for a free consultation, or visit us online at passenpowell.com.